Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP NV4520 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to scan documents on Mac device. So if you have the Mac OS device, you don't need to use HP Smart application to scan documents. Everyone knows that HP Smart application is not too stable to use it for every day. You need to open it, you need to load it, you need to sign in every time, and it's not too handy to use. So if you want to scan documents on your HP device using Mac, so firstly you need to connect your printer to Wi-Fi network that your Mac device is connected, or you need to connect your HP printer to your Mac device using USB cable, and then just open the search and find here your HP device. So just enter HP and you will see all available HP devices. I have 3 devices: HP Ink Tank, HP NV 4520 series, it's our printer, and Color Laser Jet. So click on your HP series printer. Here you will see all tasks on your printer, and then just click on Scan button. Wait a while until your Mac device will detect the scanner, then click here, choose the type of paper, choose the folder when you want to save scanned document, and click Scan. Wait a while. And great, as you can see, here I have my scanned document. It's my notepad, it's small, with a 5 size maybe. And great, that's it. So we can show details, we can choose the format of the image, we can choose the name of the image correction, manual, for example, or in manual we can change the brightness, for example, tint, temperature, and other settings, saturation, for example, for colored images. And of course we can change it to black and white if you want to scan documents, for example. Okay, in this way. And great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.